Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. Let's begin. You can use this file or use another file. Go to File, Open, and insert your PNG. Press Ctrl T, resize. Then use Selection tool. Hold Ctrl, select or click the Quick Magic Wand tool. Select, click Path, and create work. Make work path from selection. Click here. Then go to Layer tab, New Layer, Fill Layer, Solid Color. Click OK. Then select your color and again click Layer Panel. Delete this. And now we can see this convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. Thanks for watching video.